Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. It's going to be not something that you would probably wear for Valentine's Day, just more like having fun with little like heart designs and stuff like that. And I have already done a couple of Valentine's Day videos, so after this video, make sure you go check out those. I will have them linked down below in the description. And yeah, so let's get started. So I'm going to start out by using the Kylie Cosmetics Sipping Pretty palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Moscow Mule. It's just a light matte shade, and I'm applying this right onto my lids. I'm going to go into the shade Pretty, which is the bright pink in this palette. I'm just going to apply this to my crease and my lids. Now I'm adding the shade Mimosa, which is a deeper brown, and I'm applying this to my outer corners. I'm using the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Love That, which is just a pink color. I'm adding this to my outer corners, and blending it in. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Single, which is a light purple. And I'm adding a little bit of the shade Escape, which is a deeper purple. I'm just going to apply that over top, make the eye a little darker on the outer corner. I'm going to add the shade Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm applying this to the inner half of my lids, and going into the shade Skip, which is a bright pink, and adding it towards the center of my crease. And then I'm going to add the same light purple shade to my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with a concealer, and I'm using a flat brush, and I'm just going to cut my crease. I'm going to add a little bit of the shade You're Kidding, which is like a red shade, and I'm just lightly applying this to my inner corner part of my lid. I'm just going to blend it with the shade Love That. I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and I'm just going to create a winged liner with this. Now I'm going to use the Vivid Brights liner in the shade Vivid Violet. To use a white NYX liner again, and I'm just going to create white hearts across my liquid liner here. So now that all the hearts are done, I'm just going to apply some lashes. I'm using some silver liquid glitter from NYX, and I'm just going to apply this to my inner corners, and I'm going to also just bring this up underneath this white line. I'm applying the Morphe pencil in the shade Faith to my waterline. For lips, I'm using this NYX Mega Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Natural. As you can see, towards the inner corners when there's no really space for hearts, I just put a couple of dots, and I also added some mascara to my eyes. So yeah, this is it all complete. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video and my other Valentine's Day videos that I've done so far. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So be sure to go follow me on there. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!